Impulse. For instance, I have two eggs dropped simultaneously at the same height. The first egg is dropped directly on the floor, while the second egg is dropped at the point where there is a pillow on the floor. Which is more likely to break? That's correct. The first egg is more likely to break than the second egg. That is because the change in momentum imparted on the second egg, instead of happening instantly, will be delivered in the entire duration of the contact to the pillow on the floor. So what is impulse? Impulse is a change in momentum. It is an external force acting on an object over a specific time that leads to change in momentum. It is also the force applied over a period of time. In equation, impulse is equivalent to force times time, or I is equivalent to F times T. Force and time are inversely proportional to one another. So shorter time means greater impact, while longer time means lesser impact. That is the very reason why the martial artists are able to break a pile of bricks. They need to apply a greater amount of force with a very fast hand. This is also the idea how a boxer like Manny Pacquiao are able to win a match. And in order to successfully catch the water balloon in this kind of game, you need to move your hands a little bit backward before catching to make the time longer, thus the impact lesser, so that the water balloon will not break easily. Sample problem. If a boat applies an opposing force of 12,000 Newton for 10 seconds, what is the impulse? So for the given, we have 12,000 Newton is our force, and the time is 10 seconds. So we need to find I, or the impulse. For the formula, I is equivalent to F times T, or impulse is equivalent to force times time. For the solution, substitute the given to your formula. That will give you 12,000 Newton times 10 seconds, and that will give you the total impulse of 120,000 Newton seconds.